Hi, this is the RME FireFace 800 and I got this unit with described malfunction of sound coming out of it after the power failure, and the usual suspect for this malfunction is the power supply. And you can find a lot of videos how to fix it on YouTube. And I will probably do the same on my Patreon page. But for now, the YouTube another video on how to find the power supply of your unit after removing these 3 screws and some 2 more on each side. You can flip the cover and detach the grounding. Here is the power supply of your unit, and as you can see, the most problem comes from this area, and you may probably can see 2 capacitors which is popped, and I can show you how to remove the power supply from that unit and work on it by replacing the capacitors and fixing this power supply. And in the future video you will find me fixing this FireWire problem by replacing this interface chip which I ordered from AliExpress some time ago, and it's arrived already right here. The 5 pieces of ICs cost me about $15–16, and yeah, that's my job for the next few weeks, and I will use the instrument which I have already, the stop which helps to heat this place from underneath, I mean the board itself, and I will most probably create the special layout iron tip with 4 sides of the wire, which will come into one piece, which will heat it, and I will apply the 4 square size iron tip on that IC to remove it, replace it with a new one. But for now I will show you how to remove the power supply, and that's it. To get inside, you know how to remove the 6, probably 7 screws. Now you have to remove 4 more on each side. Then you can pull 4 wires for that jack and just wiggle it. It will pop up just like that. But that another one jack isn't easy to remove. You need to add a few drops of alcohol on one side or on the both sides, and only then the teeth of this connector will allow you to to move it and to remove it, because I'm already waxed that jack with the simple Vaseline and allows myself to quickly remove it and show you how to do that on both jacks. To remove the power supply jack, you need just to slightly pull it, and then first lean the power supply in toward yourself and then move it that way. And this is it. This is how to remove and maintain the capacitors. As you can see, both capacitors just pop it, and fixing the power supply of RME unit is that simple. To replace the few capacitors with probably a little higher voltage, like 35 volts, I believe, and that's it. That unit will work fine, and after that I will focus on fixing that malfunction of TSB81BA3D or E. This is the abbreviature of this FireWire interface chip. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for quick up on this RME FireFace unit and my YouTube channel. Subscribe for more videos, for more detailed, and like and find something interesting on my Patreon page. Thank you very much. Have a good day.